Hello students, today's discussion topic is major geological region of India. Okay, India can be divided into three major geological regions. Based on the variation of its geological structure and formation, India can be divided in three major geological regions. Number one, Peninsula Block. Number two, Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra Plain, and number three, Himalayas and other Peninsula Mountain. Okay, this white color portion is called Peninsula Block. Also, this black color area is called Peninsula Block, and secondly, and this shading area is called Himalayas and other peninsular mountains, and this middle portion is called Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra Plain region. Okay, and number one, Peninsula Block. Peninsula Block mainly extended, that means its northern boundary mainly extended from Rann of Kutch along with western flank of Aravalli Range near Delhi, then roughly parallel to the Yamuna and Ganga river as far as Rajmahal Hills and Ganga Delta. That means this Peninsula Block mainly extended from Rann of Kutch, okay, along with western flank, then Aravalli mountain range, and extended up to Delhi. Then it parallel to the Yamuna river and Ganga river, and it is extended up to Rajmahal Hills. Okay. Apart from this, Karbi Anglong and Meghalaya Plateau in the northeast and Rajasthan in the west are also extension of this block. Okay, the northeastern parts are separated by Malda Fault in the West Bengal from Chotanagpur Plateau. In Rajasthan, desert and other desert-like features overlay this block. Okay, in geological history, the Peninsula Block divide into two parts, and this black portion is called Karbi Anglong and Shillong Plateau, and it is separated by the Malda Fault. Here is the Malda Fault. Okay, fault is a downward part of earth surface. Okay, so fault mainly downward portion hoy at earth surface, aru etu mainly formation hoy because of endogenic processes. Okay, so fault is a downward portion of earth surface. It is mainly formed by the effect of endogenic forces. Okay, so jikhini endogenic forces ase, plate movement, volcanic eruption, to hetu karone ki hoy kunba eta part downward movement hoy. Downward hole eta main area pura hetu ki hoy separated hoy hobo pare, thik ase. To ei portion to generally ki hoy fault boli koy, etu fault. Aru yet fault formation or main reason to hol geological history ki hoisile jetu endogenic forces kini affect korisile, aru ei portion to downward hoisile, aru downward hoar karone etu ki hoisile main jetu block, ei main part to pura ei area to separated hoi goisile, dissected hoisile, thik ase. And the Rajasthan also part of this block. Okay, that means the Rajasthan desert, Thar desert is also part of Peninsula Block. The peninsula is formed essentially by a great complex of very ancient gneiss and granite, which constitutes a major part of it. Since the Cambrian period, the peninsula has been standing like a rigid block, with the expectations of some of its western coast which is submerged beneath the sea, and some other parts seen due to tectonic activity without affecting the original basement. Okay, this peninsula block mainly formed by the granite and gneiss rock. Okay, granite and gneiss are the two types of rock. This is gneiss and this is granite. Okay, this peninsula block mainly formed by the granite and gneiss rock, and it has been standing from Cambrian period, and that means this peninsula block average age is about 505 million to 570 million. average age of Peninsula block is about 505 to 570 million years old. And since the Cambrian period, okay, that means since the 505 to 570 millions, the peninsula has been standing like a rigid block, okay, with the expectation some of the western coast is submerged beneath the sea. Some parts of western part, that means western coast, submerged under the sea in geological history, okay. Some parts of western coast submerged under the sea in geological history, okay. And some parts of peninsula block dissected and changed due to different geological event, okay, and due to different geological activity it changed different time period, but the main basement is standing from 500 to 570 million years ago. তো বুজি পাইছা চাগে এইটো যেটো মেইন অৰিজিনেল পাৰ্ট হয় পেনিনচুলা ব্লক, এইটো তাৰ যেটো এভাৰেজ ইজ 505 to 570 million year old হয়. That means ই ক্যাম্ব্ৰিয়ান পিৰিয়ডৰ পৰা ষ্টেণ্ডিং হৈ আছে এটা ৰিজিড ব্লক হিচাপে. ক্যাম্ব্ৰিয়ান পিৰিয়ডৰ পৰা এইটো ক্যাম্ব্ৰিয়ান পিৰিয়ডটো মেইনলি কেতিয়া হৈছিলে 505 to 570 যেটো মিলিয়নছ ইয়াৰ এগো, সেইটো টাইম পিৰিয়ডৰ পৰা এই পাৰ্টটো আছে, এই পৰ্চনটো আছে, অ'কে. দেন যেটো ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ কোষ্ট, এই ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ কোষ্টটোত জিঅ'লজিকেল হিষ্ট্ৰীত ছাবমাৰ্জ হৈছিলে এটা টাইমত, বাট মেইন যেটো পাৰ্ট সেইটো কি হৈছে এটা ষ্টেণ্ডিং ব্লক হিচাপে আছে. আৰু ডিফাৰেণ্ট জিঅ'লজিকেল যিখিনি এক্টিভিটিখিনিৰ কাৰণে যেটো পেনিনচুলা ব্লকটো চেঞ্জেছ কিছুমান হৈছে, ঠিক আছে, যেটো এণ্ডোজেণ্টিক প্ৰচেছখিনিৰ কাৰণে চেঞ্জেছ হৈছে, বাট এটা ৰিজিড ব্লক হিচাপে এইটো ষ্টেণ্ড হৈ আছে, okay. As a part of Indo-Australian plate, it has been subjected to various vertical movement and block faulting. The Rib Valley of Narmada, the Tapti, Mahanadi and Satpura block mountains, some example of it, okay. Some endogentic forces affect this peninsula block, and in different geological history there are different types of landforms form in this area, okay. তো জিঅ'লজিকেল হিষ্ট্ৰীত কি হৈছে ডিফাৰেণ্ট জিঅ'লজিকেল এক্টিভিটিৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত ডিফাৰেণ্ট লেণ্ডফৰ্মছখিনি ফৰ্মেশ্যন হৈছে. ইন জিঅ'লজিকেল হিষ্ট্ৰী দেয়াৰ আৰ ডিফাৰেণ্ট টাইপছ অফ এণ্ডোজেণ্টিক ফৰ্চেছ এফেক্ট অন দিছ পেনিনচুলা ব্লক, এণ্ড দে ফৰ্ম ডিফাৰেণ্ট টাইপছ অফ লেণ্ডফৰ্মছ অন দিছ পেনিনচুলা ৰিজন, okay. And some example are such as Rib Valley of Narmada, Tapti and Mahanadi, okay, and Satpura. And the peninsula mostly consists of relict residual mountains like Arabali Hills, Nannamala Hills, Japedi Hills, Palkunda, etc. Some hill stations are present in these areas such as Arabali Hills, Arabali Range, Vindhya, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, okay. These are some example of hills which are mainly present in peninsular block, okay. Most of the eastern flowing river and from deltas before entering the Bay of Bengal, the deltas from Bayara, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri. There are different types of rivers are present in these blocks, and some river from delta in the lower part of the river. Some example are Mahanadi River, Godavari River, Krishna, Kaveri, and this river form delta in the lower portion of the river, okay. যিখিনি river আছে তাত সেই riverখিনি delta formation কৰে lower portion টোত. মহানদী, গোদাবৰী, কৃষ্ণা, কাবেৰী, সেইটো যিখিনি lower portion খিনি delta formation কৰে, okay. These are the main characteristics of this region, okay. This peninsula block standing from 500 to 505 to 570 million years ago. That means it is standing since Cambrian period, and it is a rigid block. But some changes occur in these areas. Example, the western coast submerged under the sea in geological history. Also, different types of landforms are formed due to different geological activity, due to different endogenic forces affect on it. Okay. Next, the Himalayas and other peninsular region. And Himalaya and peninsular region mainly from in about 75 million years ago, when the Indian plate moved towards the north. Okay, in that time period the Himalayan region was formed. Okay, the Himalaya and along other peninsular mountains are young, weak and flexible their geological structure. The rigid and stable peninsula block. Okay, this peninsula block is rigid and it is stable. It is stable landmass, rigid, but it is weak, flexible. Okay, and young folded mountain region. Okay, but it is old landmass. The peninsula block is old landmass, but Himalayan mountain is young landmass. Okay, consequently there are still subjected to interplay exogenic and endogenic forces, resulting in the development of fault, fold and truss plains. There are different types of endogenic and exogenic forces affect on Himalayan mountain region, and they form different types of landforms on this region. Okay, some examples such as fault, fold, okay, and there are different types of plain region formed in these areas. So ইয়াত কি হয়, যিখিনি এটা ইয়ং ৰিজন হয়, এজৰ যদি চাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে এইটো খুব 75 মিলিয়ন ইয়াৰ এগো এইটো ফৰ্মেশ্যন হৈছিলে যেতিয়া ইণ্ডিয়ান প্লেটখন মুভ কৰিছিলে টুৱাৰ্ডছ নৰ্থ। ঠিক আছে, এটা ইয়ং ফল্ডেড মাউণ্টেইন ৰিজন হয়, উইক হয়, ফ্লেক্সিবল হয়, চেঞ্জেছখিনি হয় ডিউ টু ডিফাৰেণ্ট জিঅ'লজিকেল এক্টিভিটিখিনিৰ কাৰণে, এণ্ডোজেনিক আৰু এক্সোজেনিক ফৰ্চেছখিনি এফেক্ট কৰে কাৰণে তাত ডিফাৰেণ্ট ফৰ্মেশ্যন হয় লেণ্ডফৰ্মছখিনি। For some example such as Georges, then waterfall, okay, V-shaped valley. These are some example of these landforms present in these regions. Okay, and these landforms mainly present in Himalayan mountain region. Okay, V-shaped valley, waterfalls, Georges. Okay, these mountains are tectonic in origin, dissected by fast flowing rivers which are in their youthful stage. Various landforms like Georges, V-shaped valley, rapids, waterfalls are inactive of this stage. Okay, due to different exogenic forces affect in Himalayan mountain region, and they form different types of landforms such as Georges, V-shaped valley, rapids, waterfalls, etc. Okay, and these landforms mainly formed by the running water. Okay, then next portion is third geological region is plain region, Indo-Ganga-Brahmaputra plain region. Okay, the third geological division of Indian comprises the plains from by the river Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, Indo-Ganga-Brahmaputra region mainly formed by the deposition of the river Brahmaputra, Ganga and Indus and their tributaries. Originally it was geosynclinal depression which attains the maximum development during the third phase of the Himalayan mountain formation approximately about 64 million years ago. This Indo-Ganga-Brahmaputra plain mainly origin after the origin of Himalayan mountain region. Okay, since then it has been gradually filled the sediment brought by the Himalayan Peninsula River. Average depth alluvial deposits in these plains ranges from 1000 to 2000 meters. This region mainly formed by the deposition of alluvial and other sediments. Okay, the depth of the sediment or alluvial deposits about 1000 to 2000 meter. Okay, average depth of the alluvial deposit in these plains ranges from 1000 to 2000 meter. So mainly jikini peninsular aru yat origin hua and Himalayan origin. Okay, Himalayan origin jikini river, এই ৰিভাৰখিনি ডিপজিশ্যনৰ থ্ৰুৱেদিহে পেনিনচুলাৰ ইণ্ডো গংগা ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ প্লেইন ৰিজনটো অৰিজিন হৈছে। Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, and these three rivers mainly from this region, Indo, Ganga and Brahmaputra region. It is evident from the above discussion that there are a significant variation among the different regions of India in terms of their geological structure, which has far reaching impact upon other related aspects. Variation in the physiography and relief important among these. The relief and physiography of the India has been greatly influenced by the geological and geological processes active in the Indian subcontinent. Okay, so India can be divided into three major geological regions. First, number one is called Peninsula Block. Number two, Himalayan and other mountain region. Number three, Indo Ganga Brahmaputra plain. And this region is mainly standing for since 505 million years ago, and this region mainly origin about 75 million years ago after the Himalaya. This তো যিখিনি আমাৰ ইণ্ডো গংগা ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ প্লেন ৰিজন এইটো অৰিজিন হৈছে আফটাৰ হিমালয় অৰিজিনৰ পাছত। ঠিক আছে, তো এইটো এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা, ফাৰ্ষ্ট অৰিজিন হৈছিলে যিটো পেনিনচুলা ব্লক, ছেকেণ্ড আহিলে হিমালয়ান মাউণ্টেইন ৰিজন, থাৰ্ড আহিলে যিটো ইণ্ডো গংগা ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ প্লেন। Okay, for today, thank you.